So here we have the electric callus remover. I've already been using this and I've used it a few times. It has 3 different speeds, and I like how you just pull this off just like that, and you can apply a new grit paper, a sandpaper. You get 120 grit, which is for the finer or smoother, and then you get 80 grit for those tougher areas. I generally use 80 grit because, well, I got a lot of areas that need the more grittiness, so to say, to it. Here is it. It's sticky on the back. You just peel it off, stick it on the top here, and then you turn it on, and then you can get to work. And one thing I really like is that you don't have to do all the scrubbing and rubbing when you typically have a callus remover. Because this is an electric, you just put it on that area, place it down, and hold it, and it does the work for you. Don't push too hard. You can move it around if you choose, but it really gets those target areas and leaves a smooth, nice finish. It's way quicker than having to go get a pedicure, and it's way quicker than using just a regular callus remover. It gets it done nice, and it leaves a smooth, nice finish. Shows you all of what you're getting done here. Can change the speeds, and then it does leave that powder from it kind of scrubbing it, so you can give it a blow or brush it off. After that, you can use this vitamin and turmeric cream. It's like a oil kind of feeling to it, like a balm. You can apply it on your finger and then apply it on your foot if you use it in many other places, or if you just want to use it on your foot, you could also, it's shaped with a curve, so you can just easily put it on like this and rub it around. It's very soothing, and you can use it any day, even before you do your callus remover. You could use it on a regular day, or you could use it after you do your callus remover. I generally do it after, and then just apply it around, rub it, and you're good to go. Thanks for sending me this to review.